Hello everyone, I want to show you how to align ink cartridges. What you need to do is you need to press the stop button, press and hold it until the warning light flashes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then release the button, wait. It will prompt the printer to print out alignment paper. Then take the document printed out. Make sure this part of the document need to be on the top. So make sure this part start from the top left. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select copy color or copy black to proceed. It will scan the document and the light here will be highlighting. Once it's completed, the light will stop. So then you discard the paper. So this is how to, when you discard the paper, this is how to align printer. Thank you very much indeed.